And we are back. It is episode 11 of me building one inversion on this roller coaster until it has 100 inversions. The astute viewers of you will notice that the actual roller coaster itself has completely changed colors. It's been so long in between the last episode that the coaster has completely and utterly rusted. But here we go. Let's add our 11th inversion. So as you've seen from the footage just there, we added a dive loop to the left in the last episode. And we're going to be adding our next inversion just here, just in front of the heart line. And as you can tell, I was very, very indecisive with this, but I think we are going for a dive loop to the right. And you'll probably see further on in this video, I completely remove the prefabricated inversion that I've installed there. And I actually build one myself just because it fits a little bit nicer. And we've also redesigned the heartline roll as well, so it's much closer to the ground now. Yeah, we'll just sort out the train under there, so obviously there's no clip in for the coaster. And let's see how it runs. That is an issue. Okay, so it appears as if there's not enough speed for the train to get through that new inversion. The next train is stuck in front on the block brake section. So what I'm going to do to rectify that is I'm just going to remove one train from the roller coaster itself, because yes, there we go, look, it's just stopping. We'll remove one and we'll add a block section at the end of the coaster as well, just to extend that out slightly, and let's see if that now works. Yep, there we go. And through the heartline roll. Oh, with some nice speed there, that looks pretty good. So this is the inversion that we added last week. Into the corkscrew. There you go, you can tell actually there's the inversion that I've built from hand. You can tell because it's ever so slightly janky, and into the heartline roll, and that final inversion looks wonderful. So let's move forward and see if we can start adding a few more bits of scenery and theming around the coaster. Baron, 1898, we're looking at you. Look what I've built. I'm not sure how I feel about what I have built, but it's going in. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. If there's something I can do to improve that, I'm fairly happy with it. It could look better. I feel like it needs accessorizing slightly. So yeah, let me know in the comments below what you think I can do for this kind of tower structure around the lift hill. Looks pretty cool from this angle, and I have removed the beams from the other side as well. So hopefully we it's a little close. You might not be able to put your hands up on this roller coaster. It will put some signs up. It's fine. Adding in some just pre-made, it's kind of the Planet Coaster blueprint theming here. This is actually from the aquatic theme pack itself, but it's just been coloured to a bit more of a steampunky vibe. So yeah, let me know what you think about that as well. But I think once this coaster has 100 inversions, the whole area will be completely themed up. Going for a kind of a Rookburg fly-themed area, I think that would look quite cool if we could kind of encompass the whole coaster with buildings as well. That would look good. There's the new inversion. It's been smoothed. It's looking much nicer. Let's get the park back open. Let's get the coaster back open as well. And here come the guests. Although these three little ones at the front are going to have a very bad day, because we only have one coaster and it would be a 1.4 meter height limit. They're not going to be getting on anything, but maybe they could buy some ice creams, or they can admire our bright yellow bins, which are all going to be recolored because they are garishly bright now that we've kind of dulled everything down slightly. Nice rosewood, or a dim grey. We'll go for a dim grey. But yeah, here we go. Let's see if any of the customers are heading on to the roller coaster. Of course they are. Let's jump on for a full ride POV. Elmo is clipping through the brickwork. We might have to fix that. Guys, enjoy the POV.